Hey everyone, welcome back to the Programming for Career YouTube channel. So today I am giving you a full overview of my latest machine learning project, the image classifier toolkit, which is built with Django and trained machine learning models. So it supports multiple classifiers like digit recognition, vehicle recognition, etc. All inside in a clean and modular web applications. What it does: this project allows users to upload images and it returns predictions using pre-trained deep learning models. Here, each model specializes in a task such as identifying digits or detecting vehicle types from an image. So here is a quick look at how it works. So this is the home page of my project, and in this page you can see that there are multiple classifiers, and this project is not completed yet. I will implement more classifiers below them. So for now you can see that there are total 4 classifiers: flower classifier, animal classifier, vehicle classifier, and finally digit classifier. Let's jump into animal classifier. So you can see that this is the title of the project. Basically those all are sub project of the main project actually. So let's go to the animal classifier again, and you can see that there are multiple there are some supported categories like butterfly, cat, chicken, cow, dog, elephant, horse, sheep, spider, and so on. So here you can see that I can upload any image from this place. So let's select an image. Let's select with animals, and this is a test images. If I select dog and then upload it and click the predict button, it will predict the image and show the prediction result in the output with the including the image also. You can see that this model predict that this image is dog and accuracy is 100%. So let's upload another image. For example, if I upload spider, so this is a spider image which I downloaded from this page, and if I upload this, sorry, I already uploaded it. If I click the predict button, it will predict it that this is a spider with the accuracy of 100%. What about if I upload this Spider-Man? So let's check it. So if I upload Spider-Man instead of spider and click the predict button, it says that this Spider-Man is horse with the prediction accuracy is 94.86%, but this is not an horse. You can see that there are some supported categories, and this is not included in this category because this is not superhero image classifier. By the way, if I upload another image, for example a real horse, and click the predict button again, then it shows the prediction result with prediction accuracy 100%, and this is the horse, and this is the actually class. So this is the overall project overview. The same goes for all other projects. For example, if I go to the flower classifier, and here you can see there are also some supported categories. So if I upload an image, for example sunflower, or you can say tulip. If I upload tulip and click the predict button, it says that the image is tulip with the accuracy percentage of 99.71%. Now let me show you how the algorithm works behind the scene. So this is the step 1, image pre-processing, and in this step you can see there is a diagram. First, when you upload an image, the backend resizes it to the model's input shape. For example, 28 by 28 for digits, or so you can say 224 times 224 for vehicles. So these are the image size actually. The image is then converted into a numerical matrix and normalized, and so this helps the model uh, process it efficiently. In the second step, this is actually model prediction using CNN. So this is the architecture of CNN, which is actually convolutional neural network. This is the core of the model. CNN works by detecting patterns like edges, textures, and shapes layer by layer. At the final layer, the model outputs probabilities for each class like this. For example, class 75%, truck 15%, and bus 10%. And the highest one becomes the prediction. In step 3, you can see this is the result rendering part, where the Django renders the result displaying both the uploaded image and predicted class. So this is the system architecture diagram. So you can see that in the left side, this is the client, then Django views, then predictions, and then finally the HTML response. In this project, I am using Django for web routing and logic, TensorFlow or Keras for model training and prediction, Pillow for image handling, NumPy and SciPy for numerical operations, and finally Tailwind CSS for styling. So if you are wondering about how the model was trained, I used TensorFlow to create CNN models, trained them using datasets, for example, disease datasets or animal datasets, or you can say the vehicle datasets, etc. And then saved the models in .h5 format and loaded them inside the Django application. So you can see that in the bottom of this part, you can see the output, which is animal model trained. You can see more clearly in this page that when the model trained successfully, and then finally the model saved in this location and print that animal model trained and saved. So drop a comment if you want a tutorial on how to train your own model or deploy it online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.